the back of the train. The top of the train. Look the front, the open close window, and driver just jump inside the train to drive it. And then the fourth engine, the final finishing. It's done. See the back, side, front of the engine. It can go smoothly. Very smooth. For the driver to see goes by the computer. I will see the computer. Put it back on the train. So for the vehicle to drive good and computer. The driver using the computer so he can drive the train good. And it will come through in the signal of the train. And it can come off easily and you can just put it back on. Just even come with a head rate. This thing here. But for BMW they will rate my test it. And for seeing in the dark, they can remove off. And there are two head rates and for going in the dark. Move the headlights of the train, and the train won't even have headlights. Daytime, go back to the shed, put the headlights on, it'll go. Go through electricity, okay, go by so it turns right. The computer can tell walk for the train. The passenger will sit and the back of the train. On the train and jump to the other side of the train, and poor man jumped and he jumped to that car. He jumped on the train track and he got broken by the gun he got arrested by the poor and good that hold for the train to connect to another train car. And then the train car have a magnet connect to another train car. Another one. Take another one. 2,000 it can carry if you have the magnet of all the train. If the train, all the trains the engine carry have a magnet, it can carry 2 million of them. A snow pro. Going in the snow and the train, the snow will fall in the train tracks. To go in the snow and never get stuck. Near the snow pro is some 2 wheels, and they can pin and train tracks. They can turn. And after these wheels, a bigger snowplow came. After that bigger snowplow, then a couple of motor wheels came for the train. So the interesting of the back is it don't have any headlights and not like a car. Right? And the train goes, this magnet goes everywhere. It's wiggle to their turn. The magnet can focus on the turn. It goes through the top of the train, inside the train, and bring black ink to run. I don't have power, it'll just go like wiggle, and just match up the train track. And the computer won't have any charge, and the train don't have power. Motors, but there are 3 of them and 1 in the bottom. It'll just no on the great shines. I mean, the vehicle goes, see? One, two. And turn it on more. The train starts going faster and faster. I'm going to put the train engine in the track and we're going to run so fast, but only as we make it more and more spin. Carefully, put in the track, pin the box. And it goes like this. Start engine. Forward. Just see. Start engine.